Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Living Flavors with Sunitha. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make quail eggs roast. It's a very simple recipe. You can serve this with chapati, idli, dosa or even with steamed rice. You must definitely give this a try. It's a very healthy recipe. Come on, let's get started. To a pan, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of oil. To this, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of jeera, 1 onion thinly sliced, a few curry leaves. Cover and cook this for 3 minutes on medium flame until it turns golden brown. Now this is perfectly cooked. To this I'm going to add tomato puree. I have used 1 tomato. Just grind it into smooth paste using your mixer grinder. Mix it well. Cover and cook this on medium flame for 3 to 4 more minutes. After 4 minutes this is how it looks. So it's completely cooked. To this I'm going to add half teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon of jeera powder. Mix them well. To this I'm going to add 8 quail eggs. Mix and let this cook on high flame for 1 to 2 minutes until they are roasted well. Now this is ready. Let's plate this. It's time to taste. Onion and the tomato paste has been cooked perfectly. It's roasted perfectly. It's too good, it's spicy and also the onions have caramelized well, so it gives a good flavor to this dish. Just imagine mixing this with steamed rice, hot piping steamed rice, and having it along with the eggs. It will really taste good. Definitely give this a try. This is a must try recipe. Do try this recipe and let me know how it turned out for you guys in the comment section below. If you like this video, do give a huge thumbs up and support me. It really means a lot to me. See you guys next time with another interesting recipe or another interesting concept. Until then, take care. Bye.